Dos.
Good morning. Let us introduce ourselves. Our names are Joaquin and Federico. We are students of engineering in the automotive industry. Today, we will present the change in production, cost, and profit at Nova Cars between 2019 and 2021.
Hi everyone. In 2019, production was at 130,000 units, and in 2020, the pricing is likely to 122,000 units. Then, in 2021, it rose sharply to 143,000 units because there was higher demand in the automotive sector and the new training machines, and also better production process. Moreover, the government gave support to the automotive industry, which helped production grow even more.
In 2019, the fixed cost was around $280 million, and it increased slowly to $295 million in 2020, and then to $310 million in 2021. This happened because energy and service prices were higher, salaries and labor costs increased, and there was more maintenance and repair work in the plants. Also, general inflation in the economy made the total fixed cost grow.
In 2019, material costs represent about 52.5% on the total expenses, and in 2020, it decreased for 58% of the total production cost. Then in 2021, it fixed slightly to 55% on the total expenses. The change is happening because raw material prices were higher, more materials were used to higher production, and there were also some changes in suppliers and contracts. However, in 2021, there was better cost control, which helped reduce to percentage.
In 2019, profit was around $2,800 per unit, but in 2020 it dropped to about $2,000. Then, in 2021, profit increased sharply to around $3,300 per unit. This happened because in 2020 costs were higher and demand was lower, which reduced profit. However, in 2021, selling price went up and production became more efficient, so profit improved a lot.
In 2019, the index was set at 100 and based on 100 scale, and the 2020 survey using prices, which raised it to the energy cost index to 10 points. Then in 2021, costs went down and the index decreased by 5 points. This happening because in 2020 there was more energy used to higher production and the energy prices higher too. In 2021, saving energy saving and better efficiency helped reduce to index, and also energy prices become lower.
In conclusion, Nova Cars shows sustained growth, since production kept increasing, demand for raw materials became higher, and fixed costs were reduced thanks to economy of scale. Thank you for listening.